Welcome to this YouTube channel, the world of piping and pipeline engineering. We're here with one of the most important topics in piping engineering. So be sure to subscribe our channel and watch this video until the end. Pipe sleeve. How to construct a pipeline casing. Constructing a pipeline casing using a pipe sleeve. By encasing the pipe within an additional layer of material, the overall structural integrity of the pipe system is improved. The casing helps distribute external loads and pressures more evenly, reducing the risk of deformation, buckling, or failure, particularly in applications where the pipe is exposed to high pressures or mechanical stresses. Here's a detailed explanation of the stages mentioned above. Pipe preparation. Before applying the casing, it's essential to inspect the pipe thoroughly. Look for any dents, scratches, or other imperfections that could affect the bonding of the casing. Clean the surface of the pipe using appropriate methods such as solvent cleaning or abrasive blasting. This step removes dirt, grease, or rust, ensuring a clean surface for better adhesion. Apply a primer or coating to the pipe surface. This primer enhances the bond between the pipe and the casing material, improving the overall durability and longevity of the assembly. Longitudinal cutting of casing. Measure the length of the pipe accurately, considering any overlaps or allowances required for the casing. Mark the casing material according to the measured length of the pipe. Use tools like tape measures and markers for precise marking. Utilize a fuel-powered cutting tool, such as a plasma cutter or oxy-fuel torch, to make longitudinal cuts along the marked line on the casing material. Ensure proper safety precautions are taken during this process to prevent accidents and ensure accurate cutting. Placing the casing onto the pipe. Use a jackhammer or similar mechanical device to position the cut casing material around the pipe. This tool helps ensure precise placement and alignment of the casing onto the pipe. Immediately after placing the casing, perform tack welding along the seam using appropriate welding equipment. Tack welding temporarily secures the casing in place, allowing for subsequent full-length welding. Verify that the casing covers the entire circumference of the pipe uniformly. Adjust the positioning if necessary to achieve consistent coverage. Longitudinal welding. Perform longitudinal welding along the seam of the casing material. This weld reinforces the connection between the edges of the casing, ensuring a strong and leak-proof joint. Use welding techniques such as arc welding or gas tungsten arc welding (GTAW) to create a durable bond along the seam. Control welding parameters such as heat input and travel speed to achieve quality welds without causing deformation or overheating of the casing material. Circumferential welding. Circumferential welding may be necessary to join the casing securely to the pipe. Weld around the circumference of the casing using suitable welding methods and procedures. Pay attention to welding techniques to prevent defects such as porosity or lack of fusion. Post-weld inspection and testing. After welding, visually inspect the welded joints to detect any defects such as cracks, voids, or irregularities. Perform non-destructive testing, NDT, methods such as ultrasonic testing or dye-penetrant testing to evaluate weld quality. Address any identified defects through appropriate repair or rework procedures to ensure the integrity of the welds. Surface treatment and protection. Apply protective coatings or wraps to the welded joints and the entire surface of the casing. These coatings protect against corrosion, abrasion, and other environmental factors, extending the service life of the assembly. Ensure that the surface treatment is applied uniformly and according to specifications to provide adequate protection to the casing and the welded joints. Final inspection and quality assurance. Conduct a final inspection of the completed casing assembly to verify compliance with specifications and standards. Document the manufacturing process, including welding procedures, inspection results, and any deviations or corrective actions taken. Obtain necessary certifications or approvals from regulatory authorities or clients before the casing is installed or put into service. These detailed steps ensure the proper fabrication of a casing for a pipe, meeting quality standards and ensuring the reliability and performance of the assembled structure. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, hit that subscribe button now to unlock all of our lessons and insights.